Hi everyone. This is going to be the pre-lab for Lab 12, which is part one of your capstone video. So for this assignment, just like the last video assignment, it's going to be split into two parts across 2 weeks. And just like last time, the first part is going to be kind of like the planning portion. Um, so last time you guys had to do a whole annotated bibliography. This time it's a little more simple. Um, there will be two parts, which I'll discuss in a second. But before I get into that, just so you guys know, from the get-go, these videos will be graded along the same criteria as the last video assignment. So um, make sure you review the feedback there in case you guys did miss any points, so you don't make the same mistake twice. Okay, so real quick, there are two parts to this assignment. So there's the kind of like planning stage where you guys will select a paper, any paper from your perusal assignments, um, and then kind of decide like what topics from the course that paper illustrates. So it could be a topic from a lecture or an assigned video or textbook, as long as it's kind of part of the course materials. Um, and then yeah, make sure that the paper you're presenting connects to that topic. And you'll just submit your citation and then kind of like a description of the topic that you're focusing on and an outline, kind of like how you're going to narrate the video. The second part is just kind of planning your visual content. So if you have any kind of like stock images or like figures or tables or like maybe like videos or like anything like that, any visual materials you want to include, um, we'll spend part of this lab kind of like gathering those materials so you can really hit the ground running when you actually make the video. And the second part of this assignment will just be kind of uploading all the visual content together in a PDF. So yeah, um, super short pre-lab, but yeah, just make sure you guys start to think before lab about like what papers you really liked or what papers you think you understood the best, so you can really, yeah, get going on this planning portion of the video assignment.